Draining engine oil can be a messy job, even in a well-equipped workshop. But it can also be dangerous. Hot oil can scald, and waste engine oil may cause dermatitis or even cancer. And of course, the sump drain plug usually drops into the drain pan. Reach for the laser magnetic sump plug tool. It has an ultra-flexible steel cable and a super strong magnet to firmly grip the sump plug. Loosen off the sump plug, then attach the tool and spin off the plug. No dirty oil on your hands, and the sump plug is safe and secure. It can be used on horizontal or vertical sump drain plugs. Simple ideas are the best, and with the laser magnetic sump plug tool, you'll never drop a sump plug into the drain pan again.